Hey everyone, John Stearns here from Zoom, and I am live at the Profound Technologies Experience Center in Chester Springs, Pennsylvania. We're about ready to kick off an exciting event here with Zoom, as well as LOGITECH and Profound. Wanted to give a little glimpse at what we're showcasing here. So throughout this Experience Center, we've got a variety of LOGITECH devices running on the power of the Zoom platform. And so we'll start off here in our virtual kiosk. So this serves a couple of different purposes here. It can be used as a virtual receptionist tool, so you can configure different buttons to tap on, so a receptionist on a different floor or building can actually take those calls and welcome people. So a lot of capabilities built in there. We also have our workspace reservation tool loaded on here. So as an employee in this flexible hybrid work model, a lot of our clients are moving away from dedicated desks and workstations for every employee. So now they're moving toward more of a hot desking and hoteling model. Now from our workspace reservation from all of the Zoom clients, mobile, desktop, as well as on physical devices like this, I can walk up and tap on a room. I can see availability. I can see a photo of the room, capacity, that type of thing. But what's also really helpful is I can locate a desk, a hot desk for me to work at, whether it's for an hour or the full day there. And it's very simple to go ahead through here to reserve it from the kiosk. I can go ahead, scan the QR code here just to make that reservation. It personalizes it for myself. And what's nice here is it actually will automatically provision a device that can sit at the desk. And so when I arrive, I can scan that QR code to actually check in. And what's nice here is that this will actually provision the device for my Zoom profile. So when I show up, it will allow me to set a PIN code if I want to, but all my phone line, my contacts, my meetings will show up at that device. So super simple for me to sit down and quickly get my work done. We also have scheduling displays here. These typically go outside of conference rooms and collaboration spaces as yet another tool for employees to go walk up, see availability of spaces, and they can actually go ahead and book that room directly from these panels. It also ties into the workspace reservation interactive floor maps, so I could book a totally separate room or a desk from the schedulers. So moving along here, we have what we call a Zoom Room for Touch. So running on the LOGITECH and an LG touch display here. Right now, before I even engage the system, we have it programmed to run digital signage. So we've got dynamic content, we've got some videos and images playing here. And then, of course, as soon as we need to use it for a meeting or a collaboration session, the user interface here is directly on the device. So we can do all our audio and video. We can do wireless screen sharing to the device. I can actually walk up and use this as a collaborative whiteboard tool, which is super helpful here. We can create project whiteboards in collaboration. We've got a bunch of templates that are already built in here. So as I'm kicking off a meeting or a project, we can start off with a template there. And people can collaborate from their personal devices, their mobile tablets, their laptops, from other collaboration systems like this from anywhere in the world. So super helpful there. And then in the Experience Center, we're also showcasing the flexibility of the LOGITECH hardware running as Zoom rooms in different use cases, different size rooms and spaces. So right here, we've got a LOGITECH Rally Bar Mini running here. This is great for huddle spaces, some of your smaller conference rooms and collaboration areas. So super helpful and simple to set that up. As we move over here, we're going to see a little bit larger of a setup, dual screen here. It's the LOGITECH Rally Plus system here. Gives you a little more flexibility for some of your larger conference rooms. You can incorporate multiple cameras if you need to. So very powerful station here with the LOGITECH Rally Plus. And then a couple more things that we have over here. We have the LOGITECH Scribe. Now this is mounted above a traditional whiteboard, and we can bring that right into the Zoom meeting experience. So people that are on the far end can see a nice image when people are whiteboarding or brainstorming directly on this. So that's a really nice way to handle some additional use cases or capabilities in the conference rooms. And then the last one here, we have the LOGITECH Rally Bar. A nice all-in-one device here. All the cameras, mics, speakers, everything is self-contained in the unit. Runs with the LOGITECH TAP IP for a Zoom Room controller. And that really rounds out kind of the huddle spaces, small, medium size, large conference rooms. And we, of course, can scale even beyond that for some of your larger training, multi-purpose spaces, et cetera. Last stop here, so as we're partnering on this event, we've got Zoom, LOGITECH, and Profound here. Profound is a very loyal, trusted partner of both Zoom and Logitech. So they are showcasing some of their capabilities on their website with their bring your own or build your own room tools here. They're talking about the ability for them to design spaces, implement them, manage them, support them across the full portfolio of both Zoom and Logitech. So super excited to be here with my friends at Logitech and Profound, and excited to get the event started here shortly.